I've never shown you all any of this since I moved into this space, so today that's what we're going to be talking about. Let's get it. I want to start this video off by saying this is not sponsored by Desky, but they were kind enough to help me replace my old, janky, uninspiring desk and send me some comfy new inspiring chairs. That old setup was flexi spot legs with an IKEA tabletop that I drilled together on my own. The cords were everywhere, the table wasn't even big enough, it was hideous. Thank you Desky for helping me get that out of here. I also had this gaming setup in another corner of my office and it was really nice. I low-key miss it. But with my new Desky desk setup, I was able to transfer that to my main desk now and I like it. Let's get into my desk setup. This is my brand new sit and stand Desky desk with a white tabletop and black motorized legs. It's 59 by 29 inches, so I've got plenty of space to move around, a weight capacity of 308 pounds, and it can go from 23 inches to 49 inches in height range. I've been editing for 15 years now. This is definitely the best desk I've ever had, no debate. Desky included this brilliant under desk drawer in black to match the legs, where I can keep hard drives, blue light glasses, the remotes to my lights, and much more. I personally get very distracted by clutter, so this really made me happy. Speaking of clutter and the want for an ultimate neat workspace, the cable management system that Desky offers is the best I've ever used. I've used many over the years, but this is hands down the best, and here's why I love it. It has 9 PowerPoint plugs integrated into the system to hide the cords and plug up everything on and around my desk for the cleanest cable management. I can't explain how happy I am that my cords are not a big mess. I wouldn't be able to focus on my creativity. On top of the desk, I've got the Desky monitor stand in white where I have an Apple standard glass monitor on, and we'll get to what I edit on in just a second, but I love how this allows my monitor to be elevated and I can store things on this monitor stand. It's a game changer. This entire Desky setup is premium quality and it was all easy to put together using QR codes that Desky provided. I'm so glad I made the switch to Desky. It's a complete game changer for my workspace. I can also control the desk via Bluetooth, having the ability to change the RGB colors, set my memory presets for my preferred heights, and set alarms if needed. Now, what's on my desk? I'm doing all of my editing on an Apple MacBook Pro M1 Max. It's fast enough to handle pretty much everything I throw at it. It's really no need for any upgrades right now. I have the M1 Max paired with the standard glass Apple monitor for a bigger display of all my video editing, photo editing, design work, and even email sessions. I keep my M1 Max on this simple black laptop stand that I picked up from Best Buy. I'd honestly like to have this elevated more, and this might be something Desky can help me out with in the future, but for now, this is how it's set up. I'm using all Logitech accessories for my editing. I 100% replace my Apple keyboard with the MX Keys S. I love the backlighting on the keys and they feel good. I use the MX Creative Console for all of my editing shortcuts and faster editing. Also, I absolutely love this MX Master 4 mouse for faster video editing and all around comfort. The Apple mouse is just trash compared to this mouse. I love a full mouse and how this one fits in my hand. Under my monitor stand, I'm able to store my Xbox Series S in black, and this Xbox is running to my 21-inch Asus gaming monitor. I love this Asus gaming monitor because it's just the perfect size for me to play the game on. I'm starting to love having the game connected to my editing desk now. I can take quick breaks to game with the homies on Call of Duty, Fortnite, Roblox, but most importantly, my son is a big gamer and he loves playing with me, so we get to play together more often now. Go check his channel out and drop him a nice comment. I'll link his channel down below. Other miscellaneous stuff on my monitor stand is a framed photo of my son and I that I was gifted from my parents, this zesty non-toxic candle from my last New York City trip, obviously my 100K YouTube trophy, I love this thing, the lava lamp for the nostalgic vibe. Also, I got this MagSafe iPhone stand. It's simple and effective. Desky blessed me with this new pulse supportive desk chair and I love it. It's simplistic and lightweight, unlike my older heavy desk chair. Its armrests lift and lower, I can recline, the material is really soft on it, and the headset feels really good on my neck. I absolutely love the simplicity of this new desk chair. They also let me pick up this sit and stand proactive stool for when I'm making YouTube videos or when my desk is at the standing position. I can just lean on this stool for slight standing, and I just like having these two options. I have ADHD and I like to move around a lot. Last Last but not least, the lighting around my desk is important too for the mood and the aesthetic. I keep a rolling wheel light stand with the Amaran 150C and a lantern on it next to my desk on the left side for overall room lighting, filming YouTube videos, or setting the mood for gaming and editing sessions. I got half of my logo customized into a neon sign by Yellow Pop directly over my Desky desk. This also looks good for filming, photos, and the overall vibe. And finally, to the right of my desk, I keep my 100K YouTube plaque up on the wall over a floor lamp with the B7C bulb in it from Aperture. I like using this bulb in this floor lamp because again, I can control the lighting to set the mood by the desk. That wraps up my new desk setup for Q4 of 2025. Real quick, let me show you how I'm using my YouTube office for productivity in a POV style. So real quick on this side of the room, as I told you, I have this light stand with the Amaran 150C and this lantern. I do use it up in that corner just to light the overall space, but I do bring it closer to the camera to have a key light for when I'm talking on a YouTube video like I just was. I have this tripod right here set up and it just stays there so that whenever I'm trying to make YouTube videos, I have it, just bring the light down closer to my face and start recording. Then I could take the camera off and then put that light back in the corner to light up the space. Fast and convenient is the key for productivity. On this side of the room, I did have that desk right there set up for the gaming setup, but now that I have the gaming setup on my new Desky desk, I don't have to have that over there anymore, so I could free that space up to put, you know, whatever I'm working on or whatever tools I'm using. Right now I got some YouTube plaques that I ordered because this channel does have 150K. I need to open these up and get those put up. This one's for my son because he deserved one. He's been helping me with this YouTube channel for years, so I had to order him one as well to put up in his gaming setup. This space right here is kind of cool. I got, you know, some lights set up. I have this light, which this cord management is trash right now. I need to work on that, but it has, you know, that king sign from Yellow Pop up there. But this little black board is from IKEA. It is a charging setup. I got little casings for cords and batteries. These little cords in case I need to use them to hang something up. I have these little hooks where I'm holding cords and my headphones, and then this little tray right here which I keep like batteries and things like that. I do have an Amaran tube light right there just for the aesthetic, so I can cut it on. I think it's dead right now, which I got this charging station over here, so it's perfect. I just have this cord where I can just lift it up here, plug it right in, should start charging, and then I can cut it on for like ambience or vibe in the background. So I could charge it right there, and I can use it just to have a cool background if I want to shoot a video right here. I do have another rolly wheel stand in here with another 150C and a SE dome on it just to add more light or to key light me while I can keep this light on in the background, so I don't have to just use one and the background be dark. I need two lights. I need key light and I need overall light because we're not going to use that light right there. That light's trash. I have the backdrop set up. It's mounted on the wall with one black backdrop, so I can just, all I gotta do is bring it down like that and I can have a black backdrop if I want to shoot some stuff. I need to move that, but yeah, as you can see, black backdrop makes it convenient. We'll pull this back up and then we're back clean white wall. Back here on this side is just a bunch of wild stuff. I took these doors off of the closet just so it could be open. You know, I got a tripod with another camera just sitting around. I have this LifeX tube or beam light. This is just to add like a vibe and ambience in here, make it look cool in the background. That right there is a little ring light from Walmart that I bought a while back, and I just use it for that background. It looks cool. But inside of here is where I keep all of like the gear that I'm about to work on or make videos about. Also just miscellaneous things like paper and tools. And then I got my drone bag up there, which is kind of random. Right here on the top of the shelf, I have this little small rig ball head clamp. Attach my camera to it and I shoot vertical videos downward. Another ball head small rig clamp with a phone holder so that I can read my script. And I got an Amaran tube light on those rails, which just kind of adds light over top of my little tool chest. It just looks cool back there. And here we just got the Husky tool set drawers where I just keep a bunch of like lenses and different things in there. And then whatever I'm working on up here, it's just a bunch of junk at the moment, except for that picture. Happy Father's Day. My son made that for me. That's not junk at all. That's art. Just bags and just miscellaneous stuff. It's not cleaned up perfect to make y'all think that I'm like perfect and I have the cleanest setup. I have an office that is for productivity and it's not always beautiful in here. So fish tank if I need to get some underwater shots, a little arm for my C stand, light stand, my old peace sign. I'm still debating if I want to put that on my desk or not. You know, I got some stuff hanging right here. I got the Tribeca Festival from when I went to New York with my homie. I got to keep things like that hanging up around here. It's not a lot going on in here today because I tried to clean it up to make it look halfway decent, but hope you enjoyed. Thank you again, Desky, for helping me replace that desk and get this thing set up. I'm ready to get the editing right now. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed checking out how I kind of utilize this office for productivity. If you did, make sure you let me know down below. If you got a little extra time, check out one of these videos. I would love to have you check out another video on this channel. Appreciate you for watching. Appreciate you for being here, and make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more. All right, peace.